In today's video, we're going to check out the Whirley Pop Stovetop Hand Crank Popcorn Popper. This popper can make up to 6 quarts of movie theater styled popcorn in just 3 minutes. We'll start by opening the box to see what's inside, and of course making some popcorn. Included, we have the instructions that include how to prep it for first use, popping instructions, and some safety do's and don'ts. We also get the Try Out Their Movie Theater Popcorn Kit, which comes with kernels, butter salt, and oil, which is enough to make 6 quarts of popcorn. We've got the aluminum pot right here along with its matching lid. You'll notice the Whirley Pop logo engraved on the lid, which also has clips to securely fasten it to the pot. The lid is designed with a wooden handle that's connected to the crank system to ensure your kernels keep moving as they cook. Simply turn the handle until the popping sound stops, or the handle won't turn any further. There are also wooden knobs on the lid to allow you to open each side without the risk of burning your fingers. For this round of popcorn making, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of Wabash Valley Farms Real Theater Coconut Popping Oil, approximately 1 teaspoon of Flavicle Seasoning Popcorn Salt, and half a cup of Orville Redenbacher's popcorn kernels. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the pot, then turn on the heat and give it a moment to melt. Next, toss in your popcorn kernels along with the butter salt. I usually put them in the same measuring cup. Now it's time to start cranking the Whirley Pop, and you'll want to keep this up for about 3 minutes. Once the popping is complete, carefully pour the popcorn into a heat-resistant bowl, and there you have it.